welcome to the channel Bird Point and to the new episode. Hello everyone! I happily welcome you all in this special monsoon episode. In previous episodes, we have highlighted various topics such as science of birds, classification of birds, history of birds, how to identify various birds, national birds of various countries, and how we can help birds. In today's episode, we will talk about monsoon and its various effects on birds. बोले रे पपीहा, ये है स्वागत वर्षा ऋतु का. It means the cuckoo bird chirps. This is the arrival of the season of monsoon. Monsoons can be beneficial as well as harmful for birds in certain conditions. In these days, flock of birds start building their nests and also store sufficient amount of food. But then, how do they carry out these activities in heavy rains? Birds are one of the most beautiful creations of nature, but daily hunting for food sometimes becomes very difficult for them. Birds in wetlands enjoy most comfort. Even in extremely heavy rains, flying birds have to fly very long distances in search of food. Arrival of monsoon has great influence on the lives of birds. Birds experience joy and happiness when monsoon arrives. Some sing, some dance. There are worms and insects around which are food for birds. During reproductive period, the feathers of birds tend to change colors. Does rainwater affect the feathers of birds? The nature has gifted a special protective cover to birds. Green glands, which are found in the upper part of birds' body, contain oily matter which protect the feathers from water. The special structure of wings keeps their body warm. It's a golden opportunity to observe various activities of birds during monsoons. Wow! Now, let's see some beautiful photographs. This is a bald eagle of Alaska. It is the national bird of United States of America.
Wow.
Our bird friend crow claims that even in monsoons, birds get a good shelter to live in. Now, our favorite question answer round. Yes, a small parrot named Loriculus vernalis can do this. Here comes a new question for all you lovely viewers. How to make a birdhouse? Thank you for watching the full video. Do like, share, and to know some more interesting facts about birds, subscribe to our channel Bird Book.